Hello everyone. In today's session, we will discuss what is arithmetic progression. So let's get started from the real life example. Suppose if I started saving 10 rupees on one day, and each one day increase the amount by 5 rupees. So can you tell me how much will I save on the day 2, 3 and 4 and so on? Okay, I'm telling you. You will say on day 1 I'm saving 10 rupees. Okay, then increase 5 rupees in each day. So day 2 my increase income will be 15 rupees. On day 3 20, and day 4 is 25. Okay, so we are understanding what is arithmetic progression and why we are using in real life example. So you can see this pattern. You can see this pattern 10, 15, 20 and 25. This pattern is called arithmetic progression. Why it is called arithmetic progression? Because the difference between them is common. 15 minus 10 is 5, 20 minus 15 is 5, 25 minus 20 is 5. So you can say there is common difference we can denote the common difference by d. So common difference in this sequence is d. Okay, d is equals to 5. That's why it is same. We can say it is your arithmetic progression. So let's see how we can define arithmetic progression clearly. I'm going to the next slide. So arithmetic progression, it is a sequence of number where the difference between the two consecutive term is constant. Okay, as you can see in the previous slide, this is your sequence 10, then 15, then 20 and 25. Okay, and so on. On first day income is 10, second day income is increasing income is 15, then 20, then 25, and each day you increase your income 5 according to your given question. Okay, so the difference is also 5 here. So now you can say, let's say the sequence of number where the difference between two consecutive terms is constant. Means I'm taking one more example, 3, 6, 9 and 12 and so on. Okay, now you can tell me what is the difference between these terms. So let's check the common difference. To find the common difference, what you will do in this is your first term, we can denote A1, second term A2, third term A3, fourth term is A4. So to find the difference, D is equals to, you will subtract A2 minus A1, where A2 is 6, A1 is 3, that is equals to 3. Now find more common difference like A3 minus A2. A3 is 9, A2 is 6. Common difference again you are finding 3. Now A4 minus A3 is equals to 12 minus 9, which is also equals to 3. So we can say that common difference is 3. That is why it is the arithmetic progression. So we can write these values A. Can you tell me what is the first term in this sequence? So first term you can see A is equals to, this is A, we can denote the first term of the letter A. A is 3. Common difference is 3 and A is 3. Okay, these two terms are very important to find the nth term of any sequence. Means you already know that the first term is A1, second is A2, third is A3, fourth is A4, fifth would be A5 and so on. Can you tell me the nth term of this sequence? Yes, the nth term would be an. So how we can find, because it can be infinity, how can we find nth term of any sequence? Okay, so let's see. Nth term. If you want to find a term far away, like 15th term, 100th term. So you cannot write all the terms. Okay, means A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A87, A89, and so on. You can't write A100 term. So to find the nth term of any arithmetic progression, you will use this formula where Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 times D. So let's explain with steps where A is equals to first term of the sequence. We already discussed. What is n? What is n? N is the number of terms. Terms number. Okay, terms number. Now, what is D? We already know that D is the common difference. Common difference. And what is Tn? Tn is the nth term which we are finding. So plug this value into the formula. Okay, let's take the example. I'm going to the next slide. Okay, I'm writing here. Let's take the example. 4, 7, 10, 13. This is our sequence, arithmetic progression, and we have to find 10th term. Okay, 10th term. So what you will do in this? First of all, you will apply this formula, but to find the formula, you should have the knowledge of what is A and D. So what is A in this sequence? First term is 4. What is difference? So 7 minus 4 is 3, 10 minus 7 is 3, 13 minus 10 is 3. You are finding the difference between them. So A2 minus A1 is 3, A3 minus A1 is 3, A2 is equals to 3, and so on. So we can say that difference is 3. Now we can easily apply, because we have to find the 10th term. So use this formula Tn, T10. Okay, in place of n I'm writing 10 because we have to find the 10th term. A plus n minus 1, A plus, how many total terms are there? Total terms, can you tell me? Yeah, because we have to find the 10th term, so n minus 1 it would be, and difference is 3. After solving this, 4 plus 9 times 3, your 10th term would be 31. 31 is your answer. I hope you will understand. If you have still any doubt, you can tell me. So this formula jumps directly to the term you want. Now, let's see sum of nth term. So, if you want the total of the first 20 or 50 terms, adding one by one is slow. So, we will use a formula for total term, like Sn is equals to n minus 1, 2a plus n minus 1 times t. Okay, let's see what is n. We already know that number of terms. And what is A? A is the first term. What is D? D is the common difference. Common difference. And what is L? You can use another thing, means if you don't want to learn this formula, you can write Sn is equals to n by 2 A plus L. In place of this formula, you can also use this formula. So what is L? L would be your last term. If the last term is given, so you can easily apply this formula. Let's take the example based on this formula. If you want the total of any sequence, suppose I'm writing 3, 6, 9 is your AP progression, and question is given, find the sum of first 10 terms. Find the sum of first 10 terms. So what is the formula to find the sum? Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Let's see what is A. So A in this question is 3. What is the difference? 6 minus 3 is 3. 9 minus 6 is 3. So difference would be 3. Okay. And we will use this formula. So we only need this. And we have to find the first 10 terms. So n is equals to 10. Let's apply this formula. S10 is equals to 10 over 2. In place of n, I'm writing 10. 2 times 3 plus, what is n? N is 10 minus 1 times 3. Okay, let's solve this. 5 times 6 plus 27, that is equals to 165, which is your answer. So Sn gives total equally without adding each term. Okay, this is your all about what is Sn terms, how we can find nth term of any arithmetic progression, and what is the actual meaning of the arithmetic progression. Thank you.